Hey y'all, this is Aaron over at Clear Creek RVs. Today I'm going to take you through the Alliance Avenue 33 RKS. Take a look at this underneath storage on this trailer. It is absolutely huge. You've got room for all your stuff that you may want to take with you. Follow me down here. I love this. Refrigerator, TV already installed. You don't have a chance of missing the game inside or out. You're going to have front row seats. And then all the way in the back, we have the griddle combo. Whether you want to grill some hamburgers or maybe the griddle for some breakfast, it's got you covered. Take a look at the living room space in here. What a great layout for the whole family to get together. We've got the tri-fold couch here, dual recliners over here with this great feature, armrest in the middle, cup holders, don't forget your charging ports, as well as huge TV, fireplace, and then check out this little bit of extra storage in here. Little hidden storage for all the goodies. All right, check out the windows in here. Huge atrium windows, so when you're at that beautiful camp spot, even if you're stuck inside, you can enjoy the beautiful view. Dinette with individual chairs and a booth. And then right behind me, this huge refrigerator. You never had enough freezer or refrigerating space. And then lots of counter space, farmhouse sink, residential size microwave, beautiful stove and oven over here, tons of counter over here. Quick meal, we can sit at the bar and grab some food. And then as you come up the stairs, you're gonna see no carpet anywhere in the coach, as well as that little cutout under that bottom stair. What a great place to store your shoes. Come on up. As we go into the bathroom, huge bathroom in here, little bit of a chair so you can sit down or maybe shave your legs, as well as great countersink, stainless steel sink. Hey, as we come into the bedroom, you notice east-west bed, that nice king-size bed out on a slide, makes for tons of space in here. Farmhouse doors all around just to conserve space. This is pretty cool. More hidden storage in here. And then of course, lots of storage underneath in our dresser. Huge closet for everything that you may take with you. Does have the option for a washer dryer hookup, so if you do want to add that, that's not a problem. Thanks for walking through the Alliance Avenue 33 RKS with me. If you want to check it out in person, come see me, Aaron at Clear Creek RVs.